News of Crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we have Cardano is likely to surge in the near future. So Cardano recently became the third most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum with a staggering US 85 billion market cap.
Wow.
Cardano blockchain native cryptocurrency is ADA. It was founded by Charles Hoskinson, an ex-Ethereum co-founder, and introduced in September 2017. Now the cryptocurrency has a 45 billion token production cap, and reports claim that Japanese citizens own 95% of Cardano coins. So Cardano witnessed a rise in May, the increase after billionaire Elon Musk had declared that Tesla will not be taking payments in Bitcoin due to a large amount of electricity used to mine new coins. Thus, the crypto market collapsed with Cardano reaching new heights as investors rush to sustainable tokens. Cardano is among the most rapidly expanding crypto. It uses proof of stake public blockchain platform where miners have to put the crypto owned by them as stake to authenticate a transaction. Now, POS consensus mechanism is less energy intensive as compared to proof of work method used by Bitcoin. Now, the project takes pride in ensuring that any technology developed is subjected to a peer review research procedures allowing ideas to be tried and tested before they get verified. Now, the upcoming software upgrade helped the crypto soar to new heights. The crypto saw an increase in price over 100% in August. The rise in crypto came after Cardano's founder, Hawkinson, teased the upcoming Alonzo upgrade to the network. The upgrade is due to launch in September and will bring smart contracts to blockchain. Now, smart contracts are essential for blockchain because they enable new features like DeFi, decentralized finance, automated lending, and much more. Smart contracts ensure that the agreements are validated securely. Now, the new updates will permit Cardano's blockchain to handle self-implementing contracts among buyers and sellers. The crypto is due to get another upgrade when it enters the third phase known as Guguen. Very difficult to pronounce. It sounds very German. In this phase, enough room has been provided to accommodate both fungible and non-fungible tokens. Now, these upgrades will make Cardano position stronger in the crypto market, allowing the blockchain to give competition and other cryptos like Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot in the decentralized finance space. Moreover, Japanese authorities have allowed it to trade on domestic markets while crypto laws are still in their infancy throughout the world. Japan's decision is being hailed as an example of careful diligence and compliance. Now, the outlook ahead, as per the coin market cap, Cardano was trading at US 2.64 as of 25th of August at the time of this writing, down 8.63 from the previous close. The crypto has reached an all-time new high at $2.97 on the 23rd of August this year. The environment-friendly crypto can fare well in future after it gets a software upgrade which will bring smart contract to its network, enabling it to reach more investors. However, the volatility involved in the crypto market makes it difficult to predict the price of Cardano.
Wow. Here last week it was all-time high
Amazing. Amazing. We had a
2.9, and now today I think it's somewhere around 2.5. Great potential, very good project, energy sustainable, and many more features. I think yeah we should consider. I think it's one of our favorite coin.
yeah, one of our favorite really great run up since July 21st Manish. We made a lot of money
Yeah.
trading Cardano. Star Trek is right. Cardano is taking over Africa. $5 by November for Cardano. Very good price prediction. That's the same price prediction we have between $3 to $5. So let's see. Maybe it's what Hawkinson is anticipating. Everybody is betting on Cardano as well as Solana for October. So let's see if that
Let's
happens.
see. Both
Thanks,
are
thanks, Star Trek.
great tokens based on
Amazing.
Ethereum platforms. Long time holders can still hold this. it has a
Right.
great potential. Yeah.
And in fact, Manish, those who are staking things like Polkadot, Cardano, really good percentage on the DeFi space. So that's something that most of you may want to consider. So that's all I have today, Manish, on the news.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, we actually had I had personally had some other things to take care of, so that's why we are slightly a bit late today. But while Manish setups is in the next segment, do join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
All right. Okay. So today is the day for another meme coin, which is called Hybrid Dog. Hybrid Doji. Let's see what's special about this crypto. Okay, it's a next generation's Doji token, and the feature is this token is going to be launched on a Binance Smart Chain, and it has a very limited supply. It's only 10 million. There are some hidden things which I'm going to share in the upcoming sessions. Each trade has defections, automatic rewards, automatic liquidity pool, and automatic burn function. So let's go through it. What makes hybrid Dodge so special? It has a limited supply, as I mentioned. It's just 10 million tokens. Auto rewards, 5% of each transaction will be automatically given to a token holders. So any transaction happen, whether it's a buy or sell, 5% will be given to the token holders. And then auto LP acquisitions, which is 5% of each transactions, which automatically added to the liquidity pool. It has auto burns, which is 2% token burn on each transaction, and also have a quarterly burn system. So I think it has a potential, though it's another meme coin, but as a limited supply, we can consider. As a disclaimer, I'll say that it's not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing it. All right. So they have just finished their smart contract audit, and the report is out. You can just click here. I'm not going to go through the report. Let's see what is the pre-sales event coming. So the pre-sales going to start from September 5th, 8:30 a.m. UTC time. So pre-sales price would be zero point 0.5 per token, and listing price will be $1 per tokens. And they are coming up with airdrop. I'll let you know what is the task you have to complete in order to get a airdrop. And just to let you know, guys, this tokens, whoever is going to register for the airdrop, everyone, each and every one is going to get a airdrop coins. So take advantage of it and complete the task what hybrid dodge says it. Okay, what is hybrid dodge? A hybrid solutions for making money on a meme coin. It is intended to create a high price dodge coin with a very low supply. That's the main intentions of creating this token. Hybrid dodge is a deflationary token on a Binance smart chain. It has a very small fixed supply. It's just 10 million token, guys. Even if you see Bitcoin supply is a 20 million, it's just a 10 million tokens. Every trade has 2% of burn functions, and 5% of each transaction is automatically added to the liquidity pool, and 5% of each transaction will be automatically given to a token holder. So that's one great features. You can buy it on pancake swap. Let's talk about tokenomics. Total supply is, as I mentioned, 10 million. Maximum supply 10 million. Pre-sale supply is 3 million. So at the time of pre-sales is going to start from 5th of September, and the total supply for a pre-sales is 3 million. And in a pre-sales time, you will be able to buy this token in 50 cents. After the actual launch, it will be $1. So, guys, airdrop. Talking on the airdrop, 1 million will be given to airdrop. So, those who are registering it for airdrop, uh, each and everyone is going to get a airdrop. I'll tell you how you can register for a airdrop. Then, development reserve for, I think it's a it's reserved for 5 million, and bounty is 5 million. Okay, roadmap. talking about roadmap Q2, Q3, which is now 2021. Hybrid Dodge Bond website launch, social media account creations completed, smart contract audit they have completed, pre-sales they are going to launch on 5th of September. Listing on a pancake swap also is going to start from 5th of September. Marketing push, the great marketing team is going to work behind this token. Listing on CEX and enable stick and swap functionality on the site itself. So this is their roadmap for 2021 and 2022. Their roadmap is to launching a brand new sites. I think more graphics oriented site. They are going to launch it in 2022, and they are also going to launch a hybrid swap. And the other task would be a hybrid DeFi and farming features. They are going to launch it in 2022. Then hybrid DEX launch and hybrid NFT launch is going to happen in 2022. Hybrid tools and hybrid blockchains, they have a plan to launch it. Let's talk about airdrop and rewards. Uh, Dodgy claims, Hybrid Dodgy claims it's 1 million hybrid Dodgy airdrops reward. Everyone will get the airdrops. Airdrops will be distributed after pre-sales. How you can participate in an airdrop? Okay, there is a two-way. First one, follow their social media page and register your details in this form. So I'll just show you how this forms looks like. It's a Google form. Once you launch it, you have to fill up which and what and all social media you are following it, and you have to give your Telegram ID, your retweeted URLs which you are retweeting for HDodge, and enter your BEP20 wallet so that they can transfer some of the airdrops to you guys. What we are going to participate is YouTube contest. So the prize money is 1000 USDT. So we are going to create a YouTube video, which I am doing it now, and I'll be submitting a form. So with that, we might get a airdrop. Not definitely they are going to give a airdrop. On top of it, they are giving us a prize of 1000 USDT. So definitely I'm going to participate this. This is airdrops and rewards. uh, I think pretty much I have covered here. There is a light paper as well, and in a shape of presentations, you can just see here the introduction, which I have covered already. And talking about their missions, their mission is to create a hybrid solutions for making money on a meme coin. It is intended to create a high price dodgy coin with a very low supply of only 10 million. So their vision is Hybridogy believe in the future of blockchain and aims to make interplay of blockchain more practical by making money on a meme coins for all kind of blockchain interactions. So pre-sales and launch, as I mentioned, is going to start from 5th of September. The early birds can buy it 50 cents, and when the sales launch after that, the price will be $1. So minimum trading limit is 0.1 BNB, and maximum trading limit will be 20 BNB. I think liquidity pool algorithm I have already covered. Deflationary also I have covered. Tokenomics, the HDOS token details. I think this is the website. From the website, also you can purchase, and this is the maximum supply, total supply. And you have a contract address. By copying this, you can buy the token on a pancake swap. So this is the air drop details, and this is the pre-launch date. When the pre-sales going to launch on 5th September, they are going to end the pre-sales on 8th September, and this is the app. By using that, you can buy. And listing details, these are the pancake swap address. Okay, token distributions. Let's talk about token distribution. So pre-sales, they are going to distribute around 30% of total supply. Public sale will be 40%. Airdrop will be 10%. Team will be taking 10%. Development will go for 5%, and bounty 5%. So this is how the fund allocations look like. Initial liquidity 70%, product development 10, marketing and sales 10, legal expense 5, overhead expense 5. And roadmap, I've already covered it. And these are the community details: Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Medium, and YouTube. You can follow them and they participate. And also, they have given their official contact details, which is their email ID, support@hybrid.com, and admin@hybrid.com. To participate it, you can go to Twitter page and follow the instruction, um, to follow their Twitter, Telegram, and submit your form here so that you can get a benefit of airdrop. So that's all I have it, Wayne, in terms of this coin. This
Awesome.
week, there are a couple of good coins, good tokens going to be launched tomorrow. Probably I'll be covering another great token. There is a great team behind it, and they have a very good roadmap. It's on Ethereum Smart Chain Network. I'll be covering it tomorrow.
Awesome, awesome. So let's look what's happening on the market side of things. Still a great run for the money. The high tide is here. Although we had a slight dip today, nonetheless we are still moving upwards, looking positive. We are at 75. For those who actually join us in the channel, of course we always look at the grid index. Just looking at about 1 year ago when during the C19 we were actually low. We had a recent low after sometime in May, where people actually alluded to saying after Elon Musk's tweet, maybe it was the catalyst to bring it down, or maybe, just maybe, it was part of technical analysis, knowing that the market is going down, and as part of the market cycle, which I've actually covered in many times. So of course we had a good run up after Jack Dorsey, the B word. We had also Cathy Woods and Elon Musk, right? They had these conversations around the crypto space, and then we had a very nice run up and usher into the bull market. Now, similarly, we also check what's happening on the stock market side of things. The VIX, of course, is a measurement of fear. Right now, we are still low. Nothing to take note. The federal government will be looking at interest rates to rise sometime, maybe in 2023 to 2024. Although they have to raise the interest rates because it's not sustainable to actually continuously to print money. So we keep eyes on this because there is certain companies that we want to acquire for dividends, companies that pays good dividends as part of cash flow management. Now, looking at the crypto space, of course, we have about 11,000 over cryptos and growing, 300 over exchanges, Bitcoin taking dominance of 45%, Ethereum about 18%. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 3.57, Ethereum is down by 3.10, Cardano is down by 8.44, BNB is down by 4.62, USDT slightly down by 0.02, XRP is down by 7.25, Dogecoin is down by 7.94, USDC is down by 0.01, Polkadot is down by 8.88, and Solana still up by 4.95, and they actually made it to the top 10 recently because of inflow of money into the cap. Right now having $21 billion worth of money inflow into Solana. So let's see over the last 7 days. Of course, if you were investing, you would have made 2% on Bitcoin, Ethereum 1%, of course BNB coin 14%, Cardano 17%, Solana about 3.55. And yeah, you can see that some of the coins are not doing that well, which makes it more affordable to actually buy those coins. That's only 7 days, but in the last 1 month, I think we had a conversation today. Some people were asking me like, how's the crypto space, how much can they make? So in the traditional market, even the top traders, the top people who have 2,000 analysts are doing 17% per annum. Okay, and we as a retailer, we have a daytime job and we have a part-time trying to do the trading that myself and Manish cover on automation, having the robot to trade for you, taking that money, buying into coins that has the potential to explode, based on good fundamentals, good technicals, good risk assessment, and good cash flow management. But look at this, in Bitcoin, 21% in just 1 month. Ethereum 36%, BNB 53%, Cardano close to 100%. It means that you would have potentially 1x your money. If you put $100 in Cardano 1 month ago, you would have gotten $200 back. Right, so XRP is about 64%, Doge 28, Solana 162. That's close to what? Coming to 2x, 1.5x, right? So that's something to take note. Of course, I don't want to go into the year, but if you see in the year, these are all crazy numbers only in the crypto space. So something to take note. Now in Bitcoin, of course, we won't cover the algorithms. These are things that every time when I look at this, I just see that it's like you got to be an Einstein or mathematicians to really use all of this. But they created a nice rainbow chart for you to hodl, right? If you are buying Bitcoin. So with root zones, of course, we look at portfolio management. Today, another questions came in thanking root zones for the portfolio management. The idea of rule of thumb is that you should be able to live off 50% of your salary, taking the other 50% to spread it into investments like real estate, gold and silver. We have cryptocurrencies, bonds and stocks, right? Paper assets. So although crypto space right now is still not considered as a form of assets, we at Rosens want to consider it as assets in most countries, and that's why they use taxation. It's called digital goods. So 50% we will buy Bitcoin, myself and Manish, we hodl it. We're not going to sell it. As what Michael Saylor said, this is the land and there's a limited supply. But the rest of the other 50%, meme coins, if you like, put 10% of that. 40% will be all the beautiful other top 10, top 20 coins. And recently we've covered MNG, amazing coin that really took off for us. Is one of the heavy hitters together with Cardano. So again, not financial advice, just sharing what we are doing. Now, EFTs own the Bitcoin. I was actually quite curious to see this as EFTs because if I'm not mistaken, they were not it's privately owned, but it's not something that is still endorsed by the SEC, right? So Grayscale, of course, takes about 650,000 worth of Bitcoin coin share purpose. So it's always good to have a check, but this site is not updated because Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of MicroStrategy, right? He actually started to actually push Bitcoin by buying it because he saw that when the market crashed, Bitcoin itself on the books actually exploded. So by doing nothing, and they are actually a software company. So MicroStrategy owns 105, but just a few days ago, he have purchased another 3,000 Bitcoin. So it's still not updated, but he holds 5% of it, followed by Tesla, by Elon Musk and Galaxy. Of course, Square Inc. is Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter. Now, we also keep track of the blockchain. So we always look at the transaction because sometimes it's easy to get skewed by the news, right? So the news goes back and forth between the fear, uncertainty and doubt, and fear of missing out, right? So that's happening even in the traditional stock market, and it works because majority of the people do not able to capitalize on both the bulls and the bears, right? So that's something that we share, how we can acquire more coins during a down market as well as selling. And I'm actually going to share a chart. Let me some of my stuff. Just let me open up my bag of goodies. 6 years, 7 years average. I keep sharing this screen so that you guys actually get it. So if you can see, this is the tracking for Bitcoin, mostly from Jan to June, sometimes to September. You can see that most of it are red meaning we buy more coins, but green, majority of the time, this last 7 years, you can see this is the time that if you are a trader, you will cash in and have a nice Christmas. But if you are someone who actually looking for the long term, then you may want to look at the first 6 months of every new year to actually purchase and acquire Bitcoin. So something to take note, buying low, selling at the high, doing dollar cost average every month with your salary. So that's something you may want to consider. So that's all I have. Maybe a bit on the charts. I'm not able to get on the view for some reason, my trading view. So I'm just going to touch a bit. Looking at this, we are coming back down to the moving average as support. but I don't have my actual guidance, so I can't tell you. I think yesterday when I covered was about 48,000 as the support. So I will have to actually make changes to this graph and start to draw the lines on the moving average. But we are coming close to the golden cross. So once I think this is working for me, my trading view, I'll be able to share more. So with that, that's all I have today.
Yep.
So thank you for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Manish,
Yep. And if you have any further questions, do let us know. See you tomorrow.
take care, guys. Good night.